Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. I hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and join our wonderful YouTube family here. Don't forget, I also have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. Once you have subscribed, you can click, I will leave a link down below for that as well, and enter that contest that I have going on. So if you could see from the description, we do have a new box to unbox today. It is called RescueBox. It is a pet subscription, and I will leave a link down below to their website, and it is really awesome. Not only do you end up getting products for your pets, but I really like, because this goes with, they partner with the greater good, so they give back. It says a portion goes to help shelter pets get food and vaccine. For every box, they send 5 pounds of food and 2 vaccines to shelter animals. So that is super, super awesome. And they do offer different options for your box, whether it be small, medium, or large dogs. They do also have a cat box. And now I was able to get my first month for $1. I don't know if the code will work anymore or if it has expired, but you can definitely give it a try. I will make sure to put it down below, but the code is TRIALBOX. And I was like, you know what, for $1, let's give it a try. Let's see the quality. I believe it's supposed to have a toy and some type of treats. So let's see the quality of the toy, if it holds up, and if, you know, the treats, if my dogs seem to like them. For those of you that do not know, I have a 4-year-old Dachshund. His name is Oscar. And then we have a 3-year-old English Bulldog, Otis. So things can definitely get crazy around here between those two wonderful little parts of our family, as well as my 8-year-old son and my husband, who in fact may be my largest child. So I'm definitely outnumbered. I'm the only female in the house. So I am ready to go ahead and dive in here with you guys. Again, this is the RescueBox, and like I said, they do partner with the greater good, so that is really awesome. So let's go ahead in here and see what I get to go share with my puppies. Because just like we spoil our son, we do like to spoil our fur babies as well. So that's why I was really excited. I know there are so many other pet subscription services, but this one just spoke to me, and I was like, hey, for $1, I'll give it a try. So we will get this on open and see. Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out here are some cards. And it says, welcome to your trial offer from RescueBox. And then it tells you what is in the box. So it looks like, I will pull them out to show you, but it looks like, let's see, we'll actually just go ahead and pull them out here. So this is the first item. This is low odor bully sticks. These wholesome chews are low in fat, high in protein, and guaranteed low odor. They are also 100% natural and digestible. So these are awesome. I know without a doubt that my Dachshund will love these. Otis, the Bulldog, I'm not sure. He's more of a like instant snacker, but we will definitely give him a try. There's 3 of them in here, so we will see. So that is great. And then the other item that is in here is an amazing squeaker ball by Caitec, C-A-I-T-E-C. This ball has a revolutionary squeaker that makes different sounds. Squeaker sound will change depending on how you squeeze the ball. Great for chewing and chasing, and it even floats. So that is awesome. I did want to let you guys know the pricing for RescueBox, the regular pricing. It starts at $29.95 a month. However, if you go ahead and prepay for a full year, each box will end up being $23.45. So there's the two different options. So this tells you here, which I like I said, this talks about how each subscription gives back, and Greater Good has given 40 million plus to charity partners and programs worldwide that work toward our mission. So that is great. And anyway, back to the toy. Again, this is the Chase and Chomp. It says play it, amazing squeaker ball with dual squeaker technology. So I know without a doubt that my Dotson will definitely love this. He has a basket full of toys, and he actually, you know what, I don't know that he has a ball like this. He has more of the plush tough chew toys, but he definitely, I think, will have a great time with this. Otis, our English Bulldog, he is, to only be 3 years old, he's kind of set in his ways. He is just a sleeper, a snuggler. He's not really into toys, so this definitely will be for Oscar. They may play together, I don't know, but Oscar I know will enjoy this. So that is the rescue box, and like I said, that this was a trial box, $1. You know, you can't beat that, and I do love that, you know, that gives back. So if you want to sign up, and like I said, I will definitely put the link below. I'm not sure if it is still working. You can definitely head on over to the website, try the code to see if you can still get the first box for $1. And everything will be down below, as well as a link. Do not forget, I have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so that link will be down below. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow that link, and enter. So I hope everyone has enjoyed this and has a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.